Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Vidyarambam Academics. Education starts here, and I came back to you with the lesson 4 matter important question and answers, children. And the first question is, what are molecules? Yes, I have already made the video. Just go through that, you will understand clearly. But I will give you the answers, children. Okay. So, what are molecules? Matter is made up of tiny particles, and the molecules are nothing but these are the tiny particles which are seen around us. They are called molecules, which can be seen sometimes and felt sometimes. Okay, the molecules of different substances are different from each other. That is what you should write. Okay, matter is made up of tiny particles. These tiny particles are called molecules. That's it. Now, second question, why do solids not flow? Okay, this answer is very easy. Everybody are aware of it. But then too, okay, I can't listen to you. That's why I will give the answer. Why do solids not flow, children? Correct. In the solids, the molecules are tightly packed close to each other. That's why they have definite shape and volume. That is the reason they doesn't flow. That is, the solids do not flow. Now the third question, how can you make a saturated solution of salt in water? This answer you know very well, children. When I was explaining, I showed you the one glass also. In that I mixed sugar and showed you when I am making the video. But okay, this is what I showed you on that day. I showed a practical, but now I'll tell you the same thing only is the answer for this. That is salt. See, when you're mixing it in water, it will be, yes, correct. Your answer is correct. It gets mixed into the water. Okay, why? What is the reason? On the day I drew on the board and showed you also. The reason is the empty spaces in the water molecules, they get in the middle there will be empty spaces, no, there these salt molecules will be filled up. Here the empty spaces will be there, no, so that is filled with the, see, like this, these are the water molecules, no. Now what is happening, the salt molecules, just I'll show you for example, wherever there is empty space it will be filled, and that is the reason the salt will fully get saturated. That is gets mixed into the water, and a saturated solution of salt we can make it clearly, like as we made on that day for the sugar. So that is the reason you can make a saturated solution of salt in water. This is called saturation, and the solution is called, yes, correct, saturated solution. Okay, why is air said to be made of matter? Why is air said to be made of matter? Yes, this is little bit applicative question, children. Yes, but then too you can answer it. It is very easy. The anything that has weight and takes up space is called matter. Okay, so look around you, children. All the living things you see, such as animals, birds, plants, non-living things, balls, books, wood, and these everything, water, air, these are all made up of matter only, no. They have weight and they take up space. So the feelings of love and sadness, they are not matter. Okay, the amount of space matter takes up is called its volume. Why is air said to be made of matter? So I have given you some information. From that you have to pick it and write the answer. What you will write here? Yes, air, water, balls, books, all these they come under. These are made of matter. That is the reason air is said to be made of matter. Because why? Because anything that has weight and takes up space is called matter. That is the reason the air is having weight also. See, air we cannot hold it, correct? But when you are filling a balloon, yes, it is occupying space. That means it has Yes, correct. You can't see it, but you can feel it, and wherever, everywhere the air is present. Without air, you can't do anything. So, that is the reason the air is said to be made of matter. Okay. This is the space, wherever the amount of space the matter takes up is called volume. The air has volume. It doesn't have a weight, but the air has volume. Okay, next question. Name the different states of matter. This is very easy. Name the different states of matter. This is very easy question I have given you, but in the teacher also in the exam she will give you. It is very easy. Correct. I can listen to you. The different states of matter. There are three different states of matter. What are they? Correct. Solids, then liquids, and yes, correct, gases. So these are the different states of matter. Here they are not asking you any example, so no need to write it. Okay, Nana, అర్థమైందా? సో సాలిడ్స్, లిక్విడ్స్, గ్యాసెస్, ఇది ఆన్సర్ నాన్న ఫిఫ్త్ దానికి. అట్లాగే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినవన్నీ పాయింట్ బై పాయింట్, ఒక లైన్ ఒక లైన్ ఒక లైన్, మీ మార్క్స్ని బట్టి 1 మార్క్ అయితే 2 లైన్స్ రాస్తే చాలు, 3 మార్క్స్ అయితే 4 లైన్స్ రాయాలి, 5 మార్క్స్ అయితే ఇంకా ఎలాబరేట్ చేసి ఎగ్జాంపుల్తో సహా ఒక 7 to 8 లైన్స్ రాయాలి. ఏనన్నా? సో మీకు ఈ వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, and hit the bell icon for further more notifications, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please tell to your friends to subscribe the channel, so that the fourth class children, I am going to cover the syllabus, so it is very easy for them if they look into my videos and learn these question answers I am giving them. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.